In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change language in DeepSeek. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks. Changing the language in DeepSeek allows you to access content in your preferred language and enhance user experience. It also enables you to interact with a broader range of information tailored to your needs. To begin, open the DeepSeek app on your mobile phone or any device you're using. Once the app is loaded and you're on the main interface, look for the horizontal parallel button located in the top left corner of the screen. This button will open a side panel, which contains various options. Among these, you will find a list of your chats, including your previous conversations. Scroll down to the bottom of this panel, and you'll notice your account name displayed. Simply click on it, and it will take you to your profile section. In your profile, you'll find a variety of settings and options. One of the most important options here is the app language setting, which is set to English by default. To change the language, click on the language option. This action will direct you to the settings where the current language, English, is displayed as your preferred language. If you wish to switch to a different language, simply click on the language setting. A list of available languages will appear, and you can select your desired language from this list. For example, if you prefer Dutch, you can choose it, and the app will switch to Dutch as the new language. It's as simple as that. If you ever wish to change the language back to English or choose any other language, you can repeat the same steps. The process is quick and easy, allowing you to enjoy a more personalized experience within the app. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.